You moved the matter and vanished that day. In your absence, I had to grant an interim order. Where were you?
Lordship, went to take the medicine. I was having fever.
When you move the matter, you should be here. Then you said the husband, the man who has raped the petitioner will run away. So I said not to consider that case. Bail case, I had postponed, adjourned it by 2 days.
I know.
Then
Promise to marriage.
promise to marry. Yeah.
Lordship, petition.
1 minute. What are the facts? Tell me.
Yes, Lordship.
Hmm.
Petitioner is raped by the accused.
Forget that. First, tell me the relationship. Don't go to the offense.
I'm coming to that.
First, you should tell the facts. Then come to the offense.
Yes. He
Was raped. That's not the way to start. Yes.
went into a relationship for 2 years.
Yes.
2 years. He was sexually using her.
That's all. You.
When
How
she became pregnant.
How did you meet?
Lordship, when she became pregnant, his family members forced her to continue the pregnancy on false promise of marriage. Exactly 2 weeks before completion of her 8th month, they refused for marriage. Intention is very clear. Rape, make her pregnant.
No.
Question.
Don't use
Lordship.
these jargons in a promise to marry case.
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, they could have refused in the 6th month. She could have terminated the pregnancy. They waited till the time she cannot terminate the pregnancy. She could
Now
have
what happened later?
Lordship, she went to respondent number 5 police station. The SHO refused to register the FIR.
Now, what do you want in this? What do you want in this case?
I'm coming to that. 5 minutes, Lordship. I'll conclude my 5
Can
minutes.
take
I
10
see-
minutes,
I see,
but what do you
Lordship.
want in this case? You should tell, not
Yes.
argue for
Lordship.
something else.
Yes. She went in the police station. The SHO refused to register the FIR. He assigned a male SI to interrogate, to look into the case, who interrogated her till 8:30 p.m. night.
That is against the
8:30
police.
Yes, that is 8:30. Lastly, 10 p.m. when she complained that she's unable to sit, her FIR was registered. ACP, male police officer deputed as a IO, he refused to take the handwritten complaint. DNA was not done. He never took her to the magistrate for her statement. Her
You have delivered the
yes.
child.
Lordship,
What happened to the child?
5 days old child is there.
All right.
5 days old child.
Hmm.
Lordship, fine. He has done everything to give the benefit to the accuser. In the meantime, the family members obtained the bail, which was facilitated by its faulty investigation. Finally,
There is no faulty. 1 minute, I'll tell you.
Lordship,
It-
finally,
1 minute. It is not faulty investigation. It is a case where it is breach of promise of marriage. Bail will be granted even otherwise because it does not amount to offense under 376 at all. Unless you bring it within the ambit of the words false promise of marriage. False promise of marriage, for you to get to know 2.5 years relationship is what not is required. That you'll know immediately. You also went into a relationship because you wanted to marry. It went up to the stage of marriage.
yes.
Then it did not happen. But there is a child born, that we will do something about it. But don't try to tell he should not get a bail, he'll run away and things like that. We'll see. Yes.
Lordship, finally, he has transferred this investigation to another police station on the ground that the accused and the petitioner first met there. They last met in his jurisdiction. He was very well authorized to conduct the investigation, but just to wash his
Madam,
hand.
Whatever
Lordship.
investigation is conducted in this case, it ultimately boils down to breach of promise of marriage, which will not amount. You must be aware of all the judgments which will not amount to an offense of rape.
Lordship,
But this child is born. We have to,
Lordship, that is our
that is the
concern.
only concern.
Months. They could have informed at the time when she was
That's-
eligible for
That's
termination of
fine.
pregnancy.
That's fine.
So on
It
date,
will not amount to rape.
Lordship,
Other
they
things,
forced
yes.
to leave the job. She is not having job. She
All
has on
that,
date.
all that 417, 420 will consider, not 376 at all.
Lordship, we are seeking.
Yes.
We are seeking transfer of investigation. Yes.
Investigation is going on. Let
Till
it
the
go
day
on.
DNA is not secured, Lordship.
Let it
Till
go on.
the day
Madam, child born DNA will be immediately.
Done.
That-
it is not done. We were following up.
it-
100
don't-
times we called the IO.
Not necessary to get agitated. Wait, relax. Don't get into the shoes of the client.
Lordship, there's a girl, there's a victim girl.
Wait, that we
5
will,
days,
that we will get it. Wait,
She's on road.
wait. Yes, is on road for what reason? For what reason?
They forced her to leave the job.
Wait, that's
In
why.
their religion, it is not permitted for women to do a job.
What job?
In their religion,
Madam, those are all consensual acts.
See,
Please
they-
don't tell all that. Where are the investigation papers?
promise of marriage, lordship.
Where are the investigation papers of marriage, the papers, Atrocities Act is, yeah?
Unfortunately, that will not survive. Because there are also tribes in that,
Both of them are tribes.
of course, yes. The accused in that region where they are,
Hmm.
they are tribes. We received a certificate to show that
So that won't come at
that
all.
won't come.
Ah, yes. A DNA is taken?
DNA, the date is given for tomorrow, it will be taken tomorrow.
All right.
Lordship, after service of
DNA will be taken. Yes.
petition, they are coming up.
All right. Yes.
Lordship,
Yes.
FIR was, copy was given after 22 days, series of violations. We have tabulated.
We'll compensate you for that. Don't worry. Now, this man cannot escape taking care of the child.
That's the different.
That,
issue. That's the
Three,
different.
if 376 is not there, it's fine, but all other offenses will uphold. But that is not the question here. Transfer of investigation now, to whom? Well, give the entire investigation papers. I'll take it next week. Let all the investigation papers come.
Literally, your lordship may see page 28, the various allegations are made in the petition itself.
Lordship, her handwritten complaint was
Wait.
not.
It's done at the.
Lordship,
at
after,
Wait,
It is done in the presence of a lawyer, and your lordship may also see the endorsement to the next same place. It is done in the presence of a lawyer, and your lordship may also see the endorsement to the next same place. Dinanka so on so on.
Dalit, you complete the investigation and
Yes,
place it before the court. And
your lordship has stayed the bail hearing.
no, he will not go away. Then we'll have to fix something for the child. We can't let him escape at all. Yes, he's in custody now.
he's in custody. He has sought bail, pending.
That's what I have stayed. Yes.
Okay.
um, will post, you produce the entire investigation papers and this is, this order is illegal, what I have passed, madam, that cannot be done in these proceedings. I can't stall the bail proceedings of someone else. Just because you made a hue and cry that it was a rape, then in your absence, I had to grant that order. But this order cannot sustain. In a 482, I cannot say, don't consider the bail petition. You fight the bail petition there. No, I can't. Seriously.
Lordship,
Not any order I can't pass sitting here. You can't expect this court to pass any order. Can I say they're sitting here in 482,
Lordship is
stop the
holding
bail
its
proceedings?
Powers to secure.
What
and
powers?
justice.
No,
It's a
no.
victim girl with five days old. daughter.
That is why I have said so. Not because of what you have submitted. Only because you said there's a 5-day-old baby. I am showing indulgence. Otherwise, under 482, any order cannot be passed by me.
And they say 5 days old baby. And they expect us to take a DNA.
You told it.
And we anyway applied it, date is
DNA
given.
is taken at the time of birth of child.
Anyway, date is given tomorrow. With the
They will
trial.
take it. DNA will come. Yes,
It has to be done in the presence of the court. So court is given a time for tomorrow.
yes. It will be done. Everything will be done. Yes, and whom have you made the party here? Who is the party?
State Commissioner of Police, we have served.
Then how do you
we have
fix,
made a
how
written-
do we fix responsibility upon,
We have given a written representation to Commissioner of Police.
for what purpose?
A
Change
fair
of investigation?
Fair investigation.
It's fair only, no problem. And how do we fix the father if the father is not a party here? Or the husband, the man is not a party here?
Lordship,
If the accused number one, whoever you are alleging, promise of marriage and other things, if he is not a party, how will we fix any responsibility on to take care of the child?
will, will take steps.
We should do that. Yes. The earlier order shall continue. The state shall place the complete investigation papers on next Monday. Yes. I have stalled bail proceedings there. You have to make him a party here. ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ. You don't know Kannada, yes. Make him a party right away, yes. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accused number, what is the sole accused?
No, no, the entire
Other-
family.
Parents, entire family?
Yes,
Yes. The petitioner is directed to implead the accused number one as a party respondent to these proceedings. Notice ಇವ್ರು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ. Implead, where is she? Implead. And serve on, madam, serve on the counsel who represents that man in the trial proceedings. ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. And additional SPP is directed to accept notice for all the other respondents. Yes.